friends, my name is Mrs. Reshma Menon from Menon Edu World. Learning economics is always fun, right? So let's come together to learn one more topic of economics, that is unemployment in India. Now what is unemployment? Who is an unemployed person? Any person who is available, able-bodied and willing to work at an existing pay scale but does not get a job or a work opportunity can be said to be unemployed. India is a developing country and one of the fastest growing economies of the world. The problem of unemployment is considered as a biggest challenge to the development of India. So unemployment is a social evil. As we know, since many years, government is making various efforts to curb the problem of unemployment. And it was really well captured till the year 2020. We can see that unemployment has really dipped from 2016 to 2017 and had risen only marginally till 2020. Unfortunately, due to the COVID pandemic situation, the unemployment percentage in India has really shot up beyond 20%. The reason is lots of industries, factories, manufacturing units and businesses have shut down due to the global ongoing pandemic. So let's start learning about the types of unemployment. When we learn about the types of unemployment, we basically bifurcate into two types. One is the rural unemployment and the other is the urban unemployment. The unemployment which we see in the village areas is quite different from the unemployment visible in the city areas. Hence, rural unemployment has different subtypes and so does urban unemployment. Let's start learning the rural unemployment. The first type of rural unemployment is the seasonal unemployment. As you can make out from the word itself, it is called seasonal because agriculture activity has different patterns. So in a particular period of the year, when the climate and the water supply are not suitable for farm activities, the agricultural activity comes to a pause. In this period, the farmers have no work to be done and are rendered unemployed for a short period of time. So seasonal unemployment is a temporary phenomena wherein the farmers have to look for alternative jobs to earn their income. The second type of rural unemployment is the disguised unemployment. As you can see, friends, the plowing job is being done by 2 bullocks and 4 farmers in this picture. But actually, if we go to see, the task can be easily managed by 2 bullocks and only 1 farmer. So, the 3 farmers who are visibly looking employed to us are actually not contributing to the productivity of the activity. They are called zero productive workers or nil productive workers as their presence will not make any difference to the final contribution of the farm work. So such a kind of an unemployment where there are more people working and they are only visibly employed is called as a disguised unemployment. Now let us focus on the types of the urban unemployment which we see in the city areas. The first one is the educated unemployment. As you can see from the picture here, there are many youth of our country who are gathering degrees, who are completing many certification courses, but unfortunately, even after having those certificates and degrees, they are not able to find the suitable jobs. Such an unemployment is an educated unemployment. The next type of urban unemployment is the industrial unemployment. This industrial unemployment takes place when again there is a complete slowdown in the economy. When the economy is going through recession and depression, again there are business units which are closing down one after the other. So when there are lockouts and the workers are asked to take a break and the factories are shut down, such an unemployment is an industrial unemployment. Also, one of the types of urban unemployment is the technological unemployment. As you can make out from the word itself, when technology advances, when technology develops, there are more and more machines which are doing the work. And machine is always said to replace human beings. So nowadays we also see robots and chatbots which are easily doing the work of the human beings. It is due to artificial intelligence, machine learning that humans are easily getting replaced. So such an unemployment is called as a technological unemployment. Also, one more type of unemployment is the frictional unemployment. This is when a permanent change happens in the skills required by an industry. For example, if the radios, the gramophones and the radios were replaced by the cassettes were then replaced by the CDs and now have been replaced by iPods or music stations, the work of all the cassette manufacturers and the gramophone manufacturers and the radio manufacturers has automatically come to an end. Another example could be the typewriters have been completely almost substituted by the work of the computer. So when the advancement takes place and the skills of the earlier profession are no longer required, that is when the people of our country also face what is called as frictional unemployment. So this was all about the types of unemployment. Hope you made a happy learning. Thank you for watching.